I'd like to thank Simco Management for inviting myself and Gateway Mechanical into your home. Home. What is a home? Well, it's a place where we eat, where we sleep, and where we have family. It's where we feel comfortable. Comfort also comes by temperature. Not too hot, not too cold, but comfortable. So we have been invited to provide this type of comfort into your home. How do we do that?
A typical service contractor observes and records an equipment lists and then invests little time in how they're going to perform maintenance in your facility, typically taking a cookie cutter approach. You may not notice right away, but you will eventually begin to feel hot and cold spots in your facility. Utility costs will increase. Eventually there'll be equipment failure as equipment becomes unreliable and there are plenty of service calls placed. In the end, lots of money is spent and you have nothing but frustration, problems, uncontrolled budgets, lots of issues, and no solution. What if a different approach was taken? Would it bring different results? Yes, because with Gateway, it's personal. First, we consider what type of facility you have. Is it light industrial, manufacturing, retail, grocery? No. This is your home. You deserve to have a customized maintenance program for your home. And by understanding that, we invest substantial time in planning a maintenance program. We take into consideration the use and operation of the mechanical equipment, the runtime of that equipment and what is required in that facility, the age of the equipment, the potential for breakdown and how critical that would be. What is the energy consumption? Can we reduce that? What is the environment around the facility? Does it require more air filtration? And we even consider the manufacturer's recommendations for maintenance intervals. Then we assign a team. This team takes ownership and is accountable. There are sales involved. On the technical side, there's a foreman, a primary, and a secondary technician. We begin to gather further information and supply it to our dispatchers. So when a service call is placed, the team has the info at their fingertips, what is specific to your needs to service your home. The team has been assigned. Now it's just time to execute the game plan that we've invested so much time in creating. And by proactively maintaining the mechanical equipment, we find in your home, your equipment can run more reliable, efficient, and dependable. And doing so will ensure comfort in your home so that you can enjoy your life with peace of mind and some ease on the maintenance budget.
Who do you allow into your home? Somebody you trust, somebody you're familiar with, somebody you have a relationship with, someone you feel comfortable with. And how did you feel comfortable with that individual? Well, it was through communication. So how does Gateway communicate with you? How do we grow that relationship? How do we make you feel comfortable so that you'll allow us into your home? Well, this is how.
Communication is key to any long-lasting, healthy relationship. When you begin working with Gateway Mechanical, we begin with a kickoff meeting. During this meeting, we introduce to you the assigned team that now takes ownership and accountability. The additional purpose is to gather pertinent information. This information is now given to dispatch and put in our computerized maintenance management system. In addition, a logbook is provided and kept on site with specific check sheets designed for your facility. You are available to view it at any time, and once annually, Gateway Management will review it through our Gateway Assurance Program. Also, the primary point of contact or communication is dispatch. Dispatch, you may call them when you need of service and they can make arrangements, or they will contact you when we plan on doing planned maintenance in your facility. They also have the ability to track all of our vehicles as the vehicles are equipped with GPS systems. This just contributes further to our accountability to you. Sales as well. Sales receives feedback from our technicians. Then what sales then does is pass this information, whether it be concerns, ideas, or innovations, onto the board and the property manager, making you aware of what is our thoughts and how we can enhance the operation of your home. We also have an established process in place to review each work order and invoice to ensure accuracy, and also to ensure that we have delivered and provided value to you. Once annually, Gateway Mechanicals Management, through our Gateway Assurance Program, will visit with you to ensure that we are meeting your needs, and that if your needs have changed, that we can change with you, and perhaps to explore any further needs that you may have. We also review your existing agreement, and perhaps we need to add more equipment, or as your needs change, review how you want us to execute the work. Perhaps we've identified further needs and you need more visits, or perhaps less. This is why we're having that communication with you. It's all for everyone's benefit, so that we can provide you continued improvement, or you can provide us with the ways that we can improve our service to you.
Again, I wish to thank you for your time. At Gateway Mechanical and myself, we look forward to making you comfortable in your home.